Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for a Sur La Table credit card, complete guide step by step clearly. To register for a Sur La Table credit card, begin by visiting the official Sur La Table website. Look for the credit card section, usually found in the footer of the home page. Click on the link that indicates how to apply for the credit card. You will be redirected to a new page with detailed information about the card benefits. Take a moment to read through the advantages and terms associated with the Sur La Table credit card. When you're ready, locate the Apply Now button prominently displayed on the page. Click on the Apply Now button to initiate the application process. You will be directed to the application form. Fill in your personal information, including your name, address, and contact details. Provide your social security number, ensuring that all information is accurate for identity verification. Input your annual income, as this will be considered in your application. Review the terms and conditions presented on the application page. If you agree, check the box to accept the terms. After completing the form, click on the Submit button to send your application. You should receive a confirmation message on the screen once your application has been submitted. Keep an eye on your email for any updates regarding your application status. If approved, you'll receive your Sur La Table credit card in the mail shortly. Once you receive your card, follow the activation instructions included in the package. After activation, you can start enjoying the benefits of your new Sur La Table credit card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.